It's a big job getting by with 9 kids and a wife. Yeah, but I've been a working man dang near all my life. And keep on working as long as my 2 hands are fit to use. I drink my beer at a tavern and sing a little bit of these working man blues. But I keep my nose on the grindstone, work hard every day. Get tired on the weekend after I draw my pay, but I go back working. Come Monday morning, I'm right back with the crew. I drank a little beer that evening, sing a little bit of these working man blues. Sometimes I think about leaving, still a little bumming around. Throw my bills out the window, catch me a train to another town. But I go back working. I got to buy my kids a brand new pair of shoes. I drink my beer at a tavern and cry a little bit of these working man blues. Here come a working man. Well, hey, the working man like me, never been on welfare, and that's one place he will not be. He'd be working just as long as his 2 hands are fit to use. Might drink a little beer at a tavern, sing a little bit of them working man blues. This song's for the working man.